Isifundazwe iEastern Cape sihlose ukugoma izisebenzi zezempilo ezingaphezu kwezinkulungwane ezingama200 ngehlandla lokuqala lokugoma. Kunokwesaba ke ukuthi ukuhlasela isombe sesithathu kweCovid-19 kungase kushaye kuzwele ngaphambi kokuthi kufinyelelwe kulesibalo sabazogonywa. Ukukhiqiza umgomo ngaphakathi kulelizwe kungasiza ukufinyelela esibalweni esifunekayo. Okwamanje ithemba lesifundazwe lincike emnyangweni wezempilo kuzwelonke.
All the challenges that we have and with legal resources that we have, but we are relatively doing very well. We are providing that leadership.
Izisebenzi zezempilo zikhathazekile ngokuthi kugxilwe kakhulu ezindaweni ezisemadolobheni. Umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni uqinisekise ukuthi zonke izisebenzi zezempilo zizogonywa.
At this point, we have in the main, the area that covers rural areas is in the Nelson Mandela Academic Hospital, where the Sir Henry Elliot Hospital has been opened to serve in the main as a mass vaccination site. And this also covers the drainage area of the Nelson Mandela Academic Hospital, which is largely rural.
Kuzodingeka ezinye izinsiza ukusabalalisa umgomo ngobuningi.
So the plans to expand and roll out are in place, but it's done in phases. So this is just the initial phase, what we are looking at currently, and the facilities that are currently vaccinating, there's 2 in Umtata, but we're looking at rolling it out to other facilities outside the area.
Isifundazwe siphinde sethula izikhungo zokugoma ukulungiselela ukuqala kohlelo lokugoma. Lezi khungo kubalwa isibhedlela eFrey esiseMonti, iNelson Mandela Academic esiseMthatha, isisile amakiwane esemdantsane kanye neLivingston esiseGqeberha.